Everyone, we're going to learn the cool trick of how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. First, we're going to go through the algorithms, which is just the steps on how to solve it by moving it certain ways. This is R for the right face. If I say R counterclockwise, you move it down towards you. If I say R, you move it away from you. This is the left side, so it's L. If I say L counterclockwise, you move it down towards you, and if I say L, you move it away from you. Then you have the top side, which is U. If I say U counterclockwise, you move it left, and then if I just say U, you move it right. Then you have D for the bottom side here, and that one, if I say D counterclockwise, it goes to the left, and if I just say D, it goes to the right. The last two, it's the front face, so F. If I say F counterclockwise, you move it to the left, and then if I just say F, it goes to the right. The very last one is B for the back of the cube, and then B counterclockwise is to the left, and then B is to the right. So since we went through the algorithms, we're gonna mix the cube up, and then find out how to solve it. Okay, so solving the Rubik's Cube is just matching. You want to match all the colors together. So where you start, you find the white cube with the Rubik's Cube symbol on it, and that one has white, red, and blue. So you want to find another white with red or blue on it, and this one has blue. So the blue's on this side, so we want this white one to be in this corner. So we're going to twist the bottom and get it in the bottom opposite corner. So we want it here, so we're going to have it right there to put it up here. So you're going to do left, or L counterclockwise, then D counterclockwise, and then L. So now you have those matched up. Now you want to get orange and white, so here's our orange and white, and you want to twist that on the bottom until it gets to the opposite corner again. And so we're going to do the same algorithm, which is left counterclockwise, D counterclockwise, and then L. So now that we have those matched up, we want to get the last white one right here. And for the last one, you want it actually right under where you want to put it. So you have it right under, and then you put it to whatever side that it's on. You want the white facing out, and you do right counterclockwise, D, and then R. Once you have that, you get all the whites lined up, and that's completing the first step. Now you want to flip the whites to the bottom, and you want to try and get all the yellows together. So when you have one on top, you want to see if another one is facing towards you, and then you want those to be facing you. So you have the one on top and the one facing towards you. Then you do the algorithm R, U counterclockwise, R counterclockwise, U counterclockwise, R, U counterclockwise 2 times, and then R. And sometimes that'll solve it the first time, sometimes it won't. This time we were able to do it the very first time. If it doesn't, then you just keep doing that algorithm over and over and over until it gets it. Now to solve this middle layer here, we want to get 2 that are the same like this, and you put it so they're all together, and you make that on the back side. And then you flip it to where the white is facing you, and you do R counterclockwise, U counterclockwise, R counterclockwise, D counterclockwise 2 times, and then R, U, R counterclockwise, D counterclockwise 2 times, and then R 2 times. Then you just match all these up by just doing it over once, and then you have solved the Rubik's Cube.